Hello, I'm Dr. Brian Mathis, Chief Medical Officer of Sunflower Dermatology Medical Day Spa. Today we're going to talk about cosmetic fillers. So what are cosmetic fillers? They are an injectable agent that is used to increase volume. Where do you need more volume? Some people need it in the cheeks. Some people want it around their mouth or in their lips. Some people want it around their lower mouth or the chin area called the marionette lines. Any place that needs extra volume, we can use cosmetic fillers. So why do people want them? They want to look younger. They want to look more like they did in their youthful days, maybe in high school or maybe in college. Maybe they have an event coming up, such as a birthday party or an anniversary or a high school reunion. All those are great reasons for the why behind cosmetic fillers. Who's a candidate for cosmetic fillers? Anybody who wants extra volume. You can be a man, you can be a woman. All you need is a decrease in volume from age or from other reasons, and we can use injectable medications to fill that void. Some names of cosmetic fillers that maybe you've heard of include Radiesse, Voluma, Juvéderm, Restylane, Belotero. There's a whole number of agents. Most of them are made with hyaluronic acid, which is a normal component of your skin, but some are made of other safe FDA-approved ingredients. Now, what should you expect when you get cosmetic fillers? Well, use a needle, so you might get a little bit of bruising, and that's normal. The good news is that you get instant gratification, meaning that when we inject the filler, you can see right away the improvement. Sometimes there's a bit of swelling, and that usually goes down in a day or two, but that's okay. Pain is good, swelling is good. It will take care of itself very quickly. Now, why should you get it at Sunflower Dermatology? Well, we think you should get it here because only board-certified dermatologists inject fillers. That means you have a much less likelihood of having any kind of complications. So, write down questions, get excited, and get ready for better skin for a better life.